Welcome to this video on adverbs of frequency, part of our essential English grammar series for language learners. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. They range from 100%, like always, down to 0%, or never. Placement matters in English. Generally, place these adverbs before the main verb, but after the verb to be, such as is or are. Always represents 100% frequency. It's used for actions that occur every single time, without exception, such as a daily ritual or a consistent responsibility. Usually reflects 90% frequency. This describes normal, regular habits that happen almost every day, but allow for rare exceptions. Frequently indicates 80% frequency. This term is used for actions that happen very often or in quick succession, showing high repetition. Often sits at 70% frequency. It describes routine occurrences that are common but have visible gaps, like playing soccer or taking a walk. Sometimes is 50% frequency, indicating a perfect balance. The action takes place about half of the time. Occasionally represents 30% frequency. This describes activities that happen now and then, but are not part of your normal daily schedule. Seldom is 10% frequency. It is reserved for rare and highly irregular events, often used to highlight healthy or specific choices. Rarely is 5% frequency. Use this when an event is highly uncommon, almost never happening, though not strictly impossible. Never is 0% frequency. It is an absolute negation, meaning the action is not performed at any time or on any occasion. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons from Badreldin Zakaria.